Welcome to the world of Aarogya, the all-in-one hospital management solution. You can either download Aarogya app from Play Store or App Store or use the Aarogya portal provided to you with Aarogya HMIS.
Hello everyone. So today I'm going to create a sale bill. From the sale bill, I'm selecting the OPD patient. In the OPD patient list, I choose Shravani. After selecting her, I proceed by choosing the department, which is the pharmacy department. Next, I select the medicine DOLO 650 and enter a quantity of 5 with one free quantity. Then I select another medicine A2Z Caps. I choose the batch and enter the required quantity. After that, I collect the medicines and proceed to save the details. Once saved, I collect the payment and move forward with the ABDM process. I initiate the Aarogya process and refresh the page. In the pending transactions, I see 2 transactions, so I retry them. After refreshing again, I go back and refresh once more. The transaction then moves to the submit stage. From there, I retry it again. After refreshing one more time, the transaction is successfully completed. Now, I can see the invoice for Shravani's bill.
Thank you for watching.